Hello children, we have been used Hindu-Arabic numeral system so far. Here, another system is Roman numeral system. Already you are familiar with this Roman numeral system. Okay, here once again I would like to recollect the rules of the Roman numeral system. This Roman numerals usually we are using in writing the numbers in clocks, class boards in the school, book volumes for books like that, etc. Here, these Roman numerals are formed by 7 symbols. They are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, M stands for 1000. Okay children? Here, to write these Roman numerals, here we have to follow the rules. Let us see what are those rules. The symbols I, X, C and M can be repeated for 3 times. What are those symbols? I, X, C and M can be repeated for 3 times. More than 3 times we should not use that. Okay, let us see I. Here, to write the 2, I value is 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 3. Here 3. I, 3 I's. 4. This 4 is very closer to 5. So we should go for the 5. 5 minus 1, 4. So to write the 4 symbol, we have to take the V value children. 5 minus 1. 5 value is V. So minus 1 means minus should be written to the left side of the greater value. Okay children, that in the next rules I'll explain about that. So next X. X also, you know the X also. Here X 20. X gives 30. Again 40. Here we should not repeat that X more than 3 times. So again that 40 is very closer to 50. So we should, to get the 40, subtract 10 from 50. Okay? L is a greater value. 50 minus 10, that's minus 10. 10 means X. X should be written to your left side, this left side. Okay? Now we'll go for the next symbol, C. C means C stands for 100. C gives 200. Okay children? C. 100 plus 100 plus 100, 300. Again next is 400. That 400 is closer to 500. So 500 minus 100. 500 value is D. Minus means minus 100. C value is C. 100 value is C. So CD. To write the 400 we have to use the CD. Next number is here M. Here M. It gives 2000. It gives 2000. Okay children. M. What is answer? Now you can give the answer. 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000. 3000. So here the symbols I, X, C and M can be repeated only for 3 times. Okay? I will go for the next rule. The symbols V, L and D can be used only 1 time. Okay children? These symbols should not be repeated more than 1 time. We have to use only for once. Come to the next rule. I, X and C can be used for both addition and subtraction. What are those 3? I, X and C can be used for both addition and subtraction. Here we wrote this. Here for take the I example children. I. Here what do you mean by that? 1 plus 1 plus 1. It gives 3. I want to write the 4. IV. Here just now I said that. Here 4. The greater value is 5 here. 5, when the smaller value is returned to the greater value, left side, it should be subtracted. Okay, so V value is 5, I value is 1. So 5 minus 1, it gives 4. Here we can see this addition and here we can see the subtraction. These symbols can be used for both addition and subtraction. Let's take the 10 children, x children. Here x, 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 it gives 30. Okay children, here ix, it is a greater value, it is a smaller value. When smaller value is returned to the greater value's left side, it is understood, it is subtraction. Smaller value should be subtracted from the greater value. That means what children? 10 minus 1, here, what do you mean by that? 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Here we can say 5 minus 1, it gives 4. Okay children. Now next symbol, here ix finished, now come to the C. Here C, C, C means what children? 100 plus 100 plus 100. 300. Okay children, 300. What is the next number? 100. Here to get the 400. Here C should not, these symbols should not be repeated more than 3 times. Here the one rule is there, no? It should not be repeated more than 3 times. That 400 is very closer to the 500. So here to write the C, D. It is a D stands for 500, C stands for 100. Smaller value is written to the left of the greater value. So here what is the meaning of this? Here 500 minus 100. What gives children here? It means 400. Here 500 minus 100, it gives 400. Is it clear children? Here C, D value is a 500, C value is a 100. So when the smaller value is written to the left of the greater value, we should subtract. Subtract the smaller value from the greater value. 500 minus 100, 400. So this I, X and C can be used for both addition and subtraction. If the smaller value symbol is written to the right of a greater value symbol, its value gets added to the value of the greater symbol. Okay children, if the smaller value symbol is written to the right of a greater value, to the right of a greater value. Okay children, right of the greater value symbol, its value gets added to the value of a greater symbol. Greater value here, greater value symbol. Here, greater value symbol. Greater value symbol. For example, here V, I. V is the greater value, greater than, its value is greater than this symbol. This symbol's value is greater than this symbol's value. This symbol's value is 5. 5. It is written to its right side. It is written to its right side. So value will be added. It gives 6. For example, here take X. I. I means here X is for 10 plus 3 I's means you know that 10 plus 3 13. 10 plus 3 13. For example, here C L. CL. C stands for 50. C stands for 100. L stands for 50. 150. Okay children, here when smaller value is written to the right side of the greater value, the value will be added to the greater value symbol. Okay children, now come to the next rule. Here, if the smaller value symbol is written to the left of a greater value symbol, left of a greater value symbol, its value will be here, its value subtracted from the greater value symbol. Here, what did you learn here? If the smaller value is written to the right side, smaller value will be added to the greater value symbol. Here, it's opposite. If the smaller value is written to the left of the greater value, the smaller value will be subtracted from the greater value symbol. Here, for example, to write a 4. Here 4. What is how to write the 4? Here you learn that I cannot be repeated for more than 3 times. This 4 is very closer to the 5. To get 4, 5 minus 1 children. Okay? This 4 has no symbol. So, to write the 4, we should subtract from 5. 5 minus 1. Here, when we are subtracting, here the V. What is the rule? When the smaller value is written to the left of a greater value, the smaller value will be subtracted from the greater value. IV. Same for IX. X is a greater value. I is a smaller value. 9. Here 10. This is a 1. So X is the greater value symbol. I is the smaller value symbol. When the smaller value is written to the left of the greater value, the smaller value should be subtracted from the greater value. So what do you mean by that? 10. It should be written to the left. IX. 9. Do you understand children? Here, if the smaller value symbol is written to the left of a greater value symbol, its value subtracted from the greater value symbol. See here, to write the 400. 400. Okay? It is very closer to 500. To get 400, here 500 minus 100. Minus is there. When minus is there, that smaller value should be written to the left of the greater value. What is the symbol for 500? C. 500 value is D. 500 value is D. 100 value is, 100 symbol is C. This is the greater, it has greater value, it has smaller value. When the smaller value is written to the left of the greater value, this smaller value symbol will be subtracted from the greater value. So D has 500. D has 5. The value of the D is 500. The value of the C is 100. So 500 minus 100. 400. We'll get the answer. Here answer is 400. Do you understand children? I will go for the next rule. See children, next rule, 6th rule. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only. What do you mean by that children? This I cannot be subtracted from the remaining other symbols other than this V and X. Okay children. See, the symbol I can be subtracted only. You learned that how to write the 4 and how to write the 9. See, V. I can be subtracted only from V. And what is the other symbol? I can be subtracted only from X. This is The number for IB is 4. The number for IX is 9. So I can be subtracted only from this 4 and 9, not from the remaining other symbols. Okay. Now come to the next rule, children. The symbol X can be subtracted from L and C only. Once I want to tell children, in your textbook it is given M also, children. But that is a printing mistake. Okay. So let's correct that, children. The symbol X can be subtracted from L and C only, children. In your textbook it was given for M also, children. This is not correct. Why it is not correct? Later I'll explain you now. Okay, children. So M is not correct, children. In your textbooks it was given M also. Please strike off that. This is just a printing mistake. Okay, children. See, the symbol X can be subtracted from L and C. Let's take the L. X can be subtracted. Subtracted means the smaller value should be written to the left. L is what, children? 50 minus 10. What it gives, children? 40. Okay, children. So X can be subtracted from L and C. Now let's take the C. X, C. What is the value for C, children? 100 minus 10. The smaller value is written to the left. We should subtract. What it gives, children? 90. Okay. Now, what is given in your textbook? That is a printing mistake, children. Why it is wrong? I want to explain you that. Here it is given for M also, children. What happens? Let us see. The symbol X can be subtracted from M. M means what, children? 1000. 1000 minus 10. What comes, children? 990. You hear 889. Do you know how to write 889? 889 means 800. Here D we have to take 500, 600, 700, 800. You learn the rule. C can be repeated for 3 times. Okay. 800, 800, 89. 80 is again take the 50. L. 60, 70, 80. IX. 9. This is 889. So what about the 900? Here I explain you about this 900, how to write in the previous rule. Okay, children. 900. This 900 is very closer to 1000. Here 1000 minus 100. To get 900, what we should subtract from 1000? 100. You learn the rule when the subtraction is given that this smaller value should be written to the greater symbol value. 1000 symbol is what, children? M. 100 symbol is what? C. CM. What do you mean by that? 900. Okay. So here what we are getting? 990. 900 symbol is CM. So how to write the 90? So how to write the 90 means here what is the symbol for here? 50. Sorry, here again 90. This 90 is very closer to 100. Isn't it, children? 100 minus 10. 100, what is the symbol for 100? C. Minus 10. XC. 900 and this is 900. 90. 100 minus 10. 90. 990. So according to this rule, we should here it is it is wrong, children. According to this rule, it is wrong. 990 should be written like this. Okay, children. So that means we cannot subtract X from M. It is just a printing mistake, children. Just you have to strike off that. Take care of that, children, and strike off. Okay. Here these rules I have written on the board now, children. These rules, learn these rules and write in your classwork also. I would like to go for the writing Hindu-Arabic numerals in as Roman numbers as a Hindu-Arabic numerals in the next now.